For the MakeCode Minute today, what I wanted to do is show you how you can add some potentiometers to your game machine so that you can create paddle-based arcade games right inside of MakeCode Arcade and run them on hardware such as this PyBadge or the PyGamer. And the way this is possible is with these JST connectors that we have here and the Feather library inside of MakeCode, which allows you to read these analog pins. All of these Feather pins are broken out, including these two on these JST connectors. And these are just some simple little breakout potentiometers that we have that use a JST 3-pin connector. And I made this little game of sort of a Pong, although you can't lose. You only get points for hitting the ball, so that we could demonstrate that. So let me just show you right inside of MakeCode how this works. First thing I did was I went to Advanced Extensions, and in here I looked for the Feather library extension. It might not show up because I've already got it in here, but if you search through here, you'll find Feather. Click it. It adds a new section to the pins that are available inside of the pins category that are these Feather breakout pins. Not just your usual pins, but also A1 through 5, or 0 through 5 rather, and D0 through 13, as well as D2 and 3, which are those breakouts for the JST. The game is actually fairly simple, and the main thing I wanted to show is this right here, analog read pin D3 or analog read pin D2. That's how I have these two separate analog reads, and we also get power and ground on there, but this white wire is where the data, analog data is being read. And the rest of the game is fairly straightforward, so I won't go through the particulars of it, but just this key thing here that we can read an analog pin, which is going to map from 0 to 1023, and then remap that to some, in this case, coordinates on the screen. And so that is how you can use MakeCode Arcade with the Feather extension to add some paddle controllers to your game. And that is your MakeCode Minute.